everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef, and today I'm going to show you how to make whipped cream using a pre-programmed setting on our Deluxe stand mixer. This is going to blow your mind, and I can't wait to show it to you. So if you're not familiar with our Deluxe stand mixer, then check out my spring-summer 2023 product reveal video to learn a little bit more about this. But for today, I'm going to show you how to use the whip function of this Deluxe stand mixer. It is so cool, you guys. First of all, this has an on-off switch, which is over here. So you turn this on and on. You can see the display going on and off. Then there is a handle right here so that you can actually carry this or move it. And it kind of helps, the weight is distributed evenly to make it easy for you to do that. But then there's another little button handle, and that's how you're going to lift up this stand mixer. I have this with our whisk attachment and our regular bowl here. So I'm going to take 2 cups of heavy cream. We're going to pour that in to the mixing bowl, and you want to make sure your heavy whipping cream is really cold. This recipe is from the cooking guide that comes with the Deluxe stand mixer. So I've got some powdered sugar. Let me get my other, I keep a little stainless scoop in here, but I need 1/4 of a cup. So toss that in there, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I store my vanilla extract in our oil and vinegar dispenser. I love this because I use vanilla so often in my kitchen. I don't have to unscrew the cap and get out a measuring spoon every time I need it. I can just press this little button, and this little straw, it sucks the vanilla from the bottom up here into this reservoir. So I'm going to do just enough to get 1 teaspoon, and I'm using Pampered Chef's double strength vanilla extract, which is only available October through December. So depending on when you're watching this video, it may not be available for purchase. I'm going to close this back, and then I'm going to turn this to the pre-programmed whip setting. Now before I start this, because it's going to take 3 minutes and 30 seconds, so we'll have a little lull time, you're going to watch this start out at speed 1, and then it's going to gradually speed up as the time goes on. And in 3 minutes and 30 seconds, we're going to have perfectly whipped cream without having to do much effort at all. So we press the button to start, and just like, whoops, I selected it. Now start it. You have to select it and then start it. So it's going to start out slow, and then it will gradually speed up. And you can see it already changed to 2, now 3. And the time is going down. Since this is a pre-programmed setting, it has a preset time. See how it went up to 4? I don't know if you guys can read the display. I hope that the sun isn't too bright coming in just so that you can see that. Now it's up to 5. And it's going to just whip until we have whipped cream. Now this recipe is found in the Deluxe stand mixer cooking guide, and there are so many recipes and tips in here. I'm not sure how well you can hear me over this mixer right now because that speed 5 is a little bit loud. But there is a version for chocolate whipped cream also. And so the only difference to make chocolate whipped cream and regular whipped cream is that you're going to add in 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Instead of 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, you're using less powdered sugar and adding in some cocoa powder. So it's a really, really easy way to make whipped cream. Another tip, which I did not do today, to speed up this process is to put your beater and your mixing bowl in the freezer. If you have a deep freezer, throw it in there for just 5 minutes really is all that you need. And what's going to happen is the bowl is going to be cold, the beater attachment is going to be cold, and then you put cold cream in there, and you're going to be able to make whipped cream even faster. So I just wanted to go by the cooking guide today just to show you guys this. Now I know you can't see in here just yet, but it is starting to thicken up, and you see we're still on speed 5, and we still have just under 2 minutes left. So while we're waiting on this, I hope you can hear me okay. If you can't, I apologize. There's no guessing because we have all of these really cool presets, and this cooking guide is going to explain it all to you. So you have a whip program, which is what we're doing now. There's a cream program. Do you hear it getting faster? So now we're on speed number 6 and 7. So see, you can kind of hear it getting faster and faster, and this cream is like coming together so fast. I can't wait to show you this. 8. We're totally hands-free now. Let's just wait and see what happens, because I don't know if you guys can hear me very well over all of this noise. So we have 1 minute and 3 seconds left. Oh my gosh, you guys. It is so fluffy and so beautiful in this bowl. So I can't wait to take this off and show you when you're on camera, a minute feels like a lifetime. So, and when you have noise, it makes it even harder. So I apologize for that. This is amazing, you guys. You're gonna love it. This is the first time I've made whipped cream in here. I'm doing it with you live today for the very first time, and it's blowing my mind. Because I don't have to touch anything. Like, it's just totally hands-free here. So we have 23 seconds left, and then this mixer will stop on its own, and I'll show you what's inside. So you guys hang tight. There's so many other great things that you can make with this, and I can't wait to make them myself. We have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time is up. So how cool is that? It stops on its own, and I'm going to turn the power off because I'm going to take off this mixer or the whisk attachment. So let me pull up and just twist and take this bowl off. Look at this whipped cream right here. This is amazing. So I'm just going to tap this on the side here, and look at this fresh whipped cream. So this is beautiful. Not one time did I have to scrape down the sides during the mixing process. It keeps everything incorporated so nicely. So that is how you make whipped cream using Pampered Chef's Deluxe Stand Mixer. If you have any questions about this product, you want to add this to your kitchen, reach out to me. I'd love the opportunity to help you get it. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, click the subscribe button and also go to theflipflopchef.com. You'll be able to subscribe to my recipe community there, and you'll have access to thousands of recipes, a weekly giveaway, and so much more. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye, guys.